Hi guys, now I will show you how to reset your airbag light. It's not a big thing, it just takes a while. What we have to do for it is to turn the key, and then we will see here the airbag light, and when it turns off we have to turn the key also off and switch the car off. And we don't need to start it or to push anything, just to turn it on, and that's it. And when as soon as it turns off the airbag light, we switch the lock off, or switch the key off, wait 5 seconds about, turn it on again, do this 3 times, and the third time we will wait 30 seconds, then it's flashing slowly, turning off slowly, very slow, on and off. And then we will wait 30 seconds, and when we've been waiting for 30 seconds, we will turn it on. We will turn it off, wait 5 seconds, and then it turns off. So I'll show you how it goes. So let's turn it on. Off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn it on until it turns off. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn it on. Off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn it on again. Wait 30 seconds. It's blinking slowly. Yeah. Ten, 15, 20, 30 seconds. Now we turn it off, wait 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn it on, and now it should turn off. Yeah, here we go. Now the airbag is resetted, you don't have the light anymore. And that's it, it's not a big thing, just takes 1 minute or 1.5 minutes, and then you're done. So I hope you liked my video, and if you liked it, or if you're interested, like and subscribe my videos and my channel to keep up to date and see what's new, and I'll keep you up to date. I hope you liked it, and cheers, and see you at see you next week for my next video. Bye.